New England Gardening, have some blueberries to pick here. These are Brightwell blueberries. I think they're supposed to be the best blueberry in the world. And you can see here I've got the netting over them. And they're pretty big too. So let's pick some of these blueberries. This is the early mid-season. And they're named after the guy that invented them, I guess, Mr. Brightwell. I think down from Georgia. So let's see what these taste like. Let's look at the size of these. Nice powdery blue color. Starting to fall off. So they're ripe. That's good. A little bit of tartness though. I thought that one was better. It's strange, sometimes blueberries, even though they're ripe, don't taste like blueberries. I think it has to do with, you know, whether the soil's acidic enough. But I noticed a turkey in the yard the other day, so it's a good thing I had these covered. They would have demolished these trees. They went after my peaches, which are ripe. So let me start picking these blueberries. There's plenty of them. I think these are both Brightwell. Let's see. I don't see a label on this one. They look the same. Look at the size of these. So we've got the Brightwell, and here are 3 other varieties, probably planted too close together. Probably should just have 2 per raised bed, but we've got, this here is Jersey. You can see in here. That's Jersey. That's pretty good. And then here we have Berkeley. Seems to be a little bit larger. Has that powdery blue look to it also. It's okay. And we've got Northland. Seems to be a little bit smaller berry. Oh, I think that was off the wrong tree. Yeah, these are smaller. Seem to be a little bit darker blue color. Still has that powdery look to it. These are kind of drooping. You know, looks kind of dry here. Gonna have to water this. All the rain we've had seems kind of dry. So this is New England Gardening. It's blueberry season. At least mid-blueberry season. Thanks for watching.